What's up everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel, and today I have a special video as it is my first sneaker restoration video. This is more of a mini restoration, but it's on my friend's pair of Ultra Boost, and they're pretty beaten up. He's had them for over a year, and as you can tell there's not much wear and tear, but there is a hole in the toe box and the boost is pretty dirty. So I'm gonna see what I can do to these, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so pretty much step one in cleaning the Ultra Boost is cleaning the boost itself. So I have a little concoction me and my friend showed me that he uses to clean his, and it's pretty much baking soda, dish soap, and hot water. And yeah, I'm using a soft toothbrush to just scrub away at all the dirt and pretty much residue that's on the shoes. And yeah, this pretty much works on all Boost shoes. It's not going to clean it perfectly, but it'll definitely get some of the grime out of the creases and stuff. And yeah. Alright guys, after hitting it with the toothbrush and my friend's little mixture, it's came out pretty good. Got some of the dirt out, not all of it. You can still see it's pretty dirty, but it's definitely way cleaner, and it's a good start. Alright, and next up is washing it. Alright guys, so before you throw them into the washer, what you're gonna do is unlace them, obviously. That way the laces don't get tangled, and unlike NMDs, you don't really need to get a special bag to put them in because they're built well enough to take this kind of beating. And yeah, I'm just gonna throw them in and see how they come out. So now it's time to wash them, and pretty much these are the settings. What's the settings that I have? Water temperature, heavy, and have them. So yeah, pretty much guys, what we're gonna do is wait 14 minutes and come back and see what's up. Alright guys, so for this I'm gonna be using Purex. This doesn't contain bleach, so it won't harm the black in the shoe, and this really does bring out the colors pretty good. And yeah, we're gonna put about a cup or two of these and see how it comes out. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and just see how they look. So off the bat, they look way cleaner. Primed, it doesn't look dirty. Took out all the stuff. Boost got a little bit wider, not too wide. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Boost got a little bit wider for sure. Those stains got taken off a bit more. There you go. But yeah, out of all, it looked pretty good. So what I'm gonna do next is remove all these tiny little hairs right here. So yeah. Alright, let's take them back to the room. Alright guys, so as you can see, they're already looking way better. Now to remove this right here, I don't know if the camera will focus, okay? You see all this fuzzy stuff right here? Well, to remove that, what you're gonna wanna do is get a just a razor blade here. And yeah, just start shaving it. Seems pretty weird, but I'll show you right now. As soon as it's finished being shaved, alright guys, so once that's done, you should see way less hairs. You can see there's not as many. There's like a couple there, but other than that, it pretty much made the permanent as good as new. Alright guys, so the last and final step to the restoration is just recoloring the boost. And to do this, I'm just going to use the oil-based Sharpie pen. And let me show you guys how that looks. So it's pretty much how it looks. Sharpie oil-based pen. And yeah, I'm just going to re-hit up the boost, and yeah, I'll get to it. Alright guys, and that's pretty much all it takes. Once you're done coloring both boosts over again with the oil-based paint, yeah, that's pretty much it. In the end, these came out looking pretty good, and I really am happy with the results, and hope I can do more restorations. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give a big thumbs up, comment down below what you thought about it, and a huge shout out to Daniel for lending me the shoes, and an even huger shout out to my friend Chris for producing the track for this video. You can find his links in the description. You can find both their links in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you guys on the next video.